So I'll be showing you how to use the weather wallpaper on the lock screen of your iPhone. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but you can use these same instructions for other iPhones running iOS 16. So what you need to do is go to Settings. That should take you to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. And then you should see your current wallpaper. What you need to do is swipe all the way to the extreme right where you can create a new wallpaper. So this is a lock screen side and this is the home screen. So tap on lock screen and then look for the weather and astronomy section and choose this weather wallpaper. So as you can see, it shows clouds. It's a dynamic wallpaper because the clouds will be moving, and when the weather changes, for instance, if it starts raining, you're actually going to see raindrops on the lock screen. So just tap on add, and it might ask you for permission to access your current location because of course the lock screen needs to know your location to know the current weather in the location you're in right now. Okay, so you can see weather for my current location. So tap on add. Now if you want to use this as a wallpaper pair, you can do that, but personally I don't really see the need for that. So I'll just go to customize home screen and choose a different wallpaper for the home screen. So for the home screen, I'll just go ahead and set up my previous wallpaper, which was an image from my gallery. Tap on done, and that should be my new home screen wallpaper to go with the weather wallpaper on the lock screen. So there you go. So there is my current wallpaper combo. For the lock screen is the weather, and for the home screen it's that image. Now I've already set that to current. If it was not current, you need to set it as the current wallpaper. So now I'll go back and have my original home screen wallpaper, but on the lock screen I now have this beautiful weather wallpaper on my lock screen. You can see the clouds move every time you lock and unlock your phone. And when the weather changes and it becomes more cloudy, you'll see more clouds. If it starts raining, you'll see raindrops on the wallpaper. It's a very good weather wallpaper for your lock screen. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.